Actually a byproduct of our analysis. There are two causes we report. First is we report a theta 0, which contains these 5 statements. We said these 5 statements, if you just execute these 5 statements will cause assertion failure. These are the problem of assertion failure. The 5 statements. Now, why these 5 statements are summarized here, right? For example, statement S2 is actually the head of this function is actually a parameter parsing. If I write down the report, it's actually saying, oh, you assigned y equals 2, z equals 1. And next, you say, oh, sum has to be 0. Next line, I say sum has to be sum plus y. I use this single static form to show the difference of different sum. But basically, you said, oh, you said sum has to be 0, and next you said sum y has to be sum 0 plus 1. The next statement, S10, you said, well, S2 has to be as sum 1 minus z, right? Now finally, you said the assert that sum 2 has to be 4. Well, now look at these 5 statements. You realize these 5 statements are not consistent with each other. This is the reason you have assertion failure, because actually if you have y equals 2, z equals 1, you have all of this, sum is not 4. But you want sum to be 4, that's a problem. But although this 5 statement cause the problem, is actually does not give the root cause, because you realize we now know that C2 is part of the problem, right? The reason, well,